Hello kids, how are you doing today? So I hope all of you are great every day. So let's have now another lesson. So we will have math. Our topic will be comparing weight. So kids, before we start, these are the things that you need. So you need your Math Learner's Book on page 81, your math worksheet, and also your pencil and eraser. So make sure that you have the following things, okay? So these are our learning objectives. So at the end of this video, you should be able to do the following. Compare the weight of some objects and use narrative words such as heavier or lighter. Okay, so before we can start our lesson, let us first define what we mean by weight. So when we say weight, kids, this means the quality on how heavy or light an object is. So normally we determine the weight to know if the object is heavy or light. Or we use weighing scale to measure the weight of the object, how heavy it is or how light it is. So first thing that I want you to do is open your Math Learner's Book on page 81. Okay, have you seen this page? Okay, so we observe that in the picture, we have here the weight comparison. Okay, so these are the objects that are heavy, like the gallon of milk and some cans of food. While on the other side of the table, you can find the light objects or light food. So we are comparing things according to their weight. So heavy, light. Okay, now where would you place this heavy or light? So let's try to answer. So how about this watermelon? Is it in heavy or in light? Do you think it's heavy or light, kids? Okay, it is heavy. How about this strawberry? Is it heavy or light? Correct, it is light. How about this apple? Okay, the apple is also light. How about this carrots? I know, kids, carrot is light. But see, let's count how many carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we have 5 carrots, do you think it will be light or heavy? Correct. For you kids, 5 carrots is already heavy. How about the newspaper? Is it heavy or light? Okay, it is light. How about this bag of potato chips or potato crisps? So it is also light. And what do you call this, kids? Yes, it's a bread, a loaf of bread. So is the bread heavy or light? Okay, it is also light. How about this big jar of strawberry? The jar of strawberry is heavy. How about this carton of juice? Orange juice. Okay, it is only light. How about this soda can? Is it heavy or light? Okay, so it is light. So I know, kids, you know how to determine or identify things if it's heavy or light. Now, kids, I want you to do some project, okay? So make your own weighing scale and find some objects to weigh. So you can take some pictures, okay, weighing some of the objects using your own weighing scale. Okay, I would love to see some of your pictures. So once you make a weighing scale, you can use a clothes hanger, strings, and some cups or plastic cups, paper or plastic cups. And then to use this weighing scale, you have to put objects on each cup. Let's say, for example, you will put here some pencil, and here will be some erasers. Or here you will put apple, and then on the other cup, you're going to put carrots. Okay, send me pictures that you are doing the activity, okay? Pictures or maybe video, it will be nice. Okay, now let's see, which is heavier? Now, look at the weighing scale. If the weighing scale goes down, it means the object is heavy or heavier. While if the weighing scale goes up, it means that the object is light or lighter. Now, in this picture, which is heavier, feather or pencil? What's your answer, kids? Okay, correct. Okay, correct. The answer is pencil. How about this one? Which is lighter? Remember, when the object is light or lighter, the weighing scale go up. If the object is heavy or heavier, the weighing scale go down. So which is lighter, the book or the seashell? The correct answer is the seashell. Now, which is heavier? Which is heavier, the jam jar or the jar of jam or a crayon? Which one is heavier? Okay, the jar of jam or the jam jar is heavier than the crayon. Now let's try to measure. How many cubes does it take to balance the scale? So this pencil is equal to how many cubes? Correct, it is equal to 4 cubes. How about this one? How many cubes does it take to balance the scale? What's your answer, kids? Correct, 8 cubes. How many cubes does it take to balance the scales? Let us see. Okay, so it is 14 cubes. Okay, now for your worksheet, kids, I want you to do the following. For the first 3 scales, you have to circle the lighter or the lighter object. While on the second 3 scales, you have to circle the heavier. And order from lighter to the heavier, okay? So number 1, write number 1 for the lighter and number 4 to the heavier, okay? That's the end of our lesson for today. So I hope you learned something about weight and how to compare the weight of different objects. So we will see again in our next video, kids. Bye!